The Rockville DK58 Subwoofer Package is designed to deliver deep and powerful bass thanks to its dual 8-inch K5 subwoofers with a peak power of 1,600 watts. With a high-quality enclosure crafted from 3/4-inch MDF and a computer-designed vent system, this package ensures optimal bass projection and a rich audio experience. The compact Class D amplifier included in the package provides efficient and reliable performance with a peak of 1,400 watts and a bass remote for easy adjustments. Durability is a key feature of the DK58, with components like 1.5-inch 4-layer aluminum voice coils and non-pressed paper cones reinforced with blue stitching. This package comes with a complete installation kit, including an 8-gauge wiring kit and copper RCA cables, making setup quick and hassle-free in various vehicle types. Designed for car audio enthusiasts, the Rockville DK58 offers an immersive sound experience with its precise tuning and robust build quality.